AI is not a magic button where you can just simply turn it on and expect results. Now, of course, we would all love that to be the case, but it's not. Talk to me through why is it not a magic button?
Oh, I wish it were magic. It feels sometimes close to magic, but ultimately, magic isn't real, unfortunately. And so, no matter what you're doing with AI, it's going to require some oversight. It's going to require some auditing over time. And it's just going to require cross-departmental collaboration to make sure that it's one built the way that it's going to meet your business requirements and that it's operating in a way that you expect it to operate. So it does require some oversight. I wouldn't say full blind trust.
Yeah, and what's the damage with having that type of mindset and thinking is that you're going to try something once and you're going to say, well, it didn't work the way I thought it would because I thought it hit this button and all of a sudden it starts magically bringing me in leads, which would be fantastic. But there is prep work behind the scenes is because we talked about earlier on, the inputs matter, the data matters. So if you do not have clean data, if you do not have a clean system, if you do not have goals that are truly tangible, that are attainable, it's not going to work for you. And that's really where the foundation is the difference is when you have that mindset of, hey, this is going to take time. It will take experimentation. We have to clean the data in order to make sure that we're leveraging AI to the fullest. I think those are the companies who will see the most results.
I would say one important call out here too is it's not just the data that's in your CRM. So imagine you want to build an assistant or an agent that's going to handle new hire onboarding. If you don't have a solid documentation for your new hire onboarding process, you can't use that to load up the knowledge vault inside of HubSpot to then power and inform that agent or assistant. So it's not just what's in your CRM, it's also your own business processes and having those documented so that you can really fill those vaults.
Agreed. So it's not simply a replacement for process, it's an enhancement of whatever process you have right now.